You guys have the same problem I do, which is annoying as hell, and is this cap never stays. It's ugly, it's gross, you clean it and it falls off, or you lose it, or you don't even have one and it looks like that. Terrible. No thanks. Went to Amazon, searched toilet bowl caps, and thumbed through until I found the one that I like, which I'll save you the trouble. Just search Grand Easy Caps on Amazon, and it'll come up with this product here, which is a no tools required. Reasonably priced, made in the USA, gotta love that, right? Simple. No tools especially. It's only 2 parts. These bolts are different diameters, they're different heights, so this thing is universal for anything. You just choose the size that you need. Oh, hell. Pop this bad boy on there. Insert the top. And voila! Problem solved, and this sumbitch isn't going anywhere, which is good. So, Amazon.com, check it out. It's a lifesaver.